So, hello everyone. My name is Ankit, and you are watching Dynamic Dev. Welcoming you to my first video of my brand new series of DSA with Dart. So, if you are a Flutter developer or trying to learn Dart and you have a confusion in DSA concepts, so this is the perfect series for you to understand the DSA concepts clearly with examples. Why should you learn the data structures and algorithm? Why it is so important? Let's first understand what is DSA. So DSA stands for data structures and algorithm, where data structures is the study of, or it is a way to organize and store your data, and the algorithm, which is a step-by-step guide where you can, which helps you to run your code in an optimized manner and give you best performance. So it is the foundation of the problem solving and logic building in the programming, and it is used in coding interviews, using app performance and clean code design. Why DSA matters for Flutter developer or a DevOps? Because Dart is a powerful and a clean for implementing DSA. Understanding DSA make your Flutter app more optimized, prepare you for tech interviews and logical challenges, and to solve real life problems. So the topics we are going to cover in this series are arrays, which is known as list in Dart, strings, searching algorithms, sorting algorithms, stack, queue, linked list, trees and graph, concept of tree and graph, how they works, dynamic programming, and with real world problem in Darts. We'll solve at the end. We will solve real world problems. So in this series, what you need to follow is you just have to open any editor. I suggest you'll open Dartpad where you can write the code and execute it without downloading any software or anything else. It just run on browser, and you just need to have a basic understanding of syntax, and a very important thing, which is willingness to learn step by step, because this is the important thing. If you are not gaining interest while learning, so it is of waste of time. So let's get started with our first uh, concept in data structure and algorithm. We are going to start with array in our first video. So this is the introduction what we are going to learn in this series. Hope you like the video. If you are interested in learning DSA with Dart or wanted to learn the concept of DSA, how they works, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest notification of the series, or from this channel. Till then, happy coding.